This JTS Mortgage Minute is brought to you by JTS & Company Mortgage Professionals.
Hello everyone, joining me live in the studio, I have Jeff Parham with JTS & Company. Jeff, welcome again.
Thank you.
Great to have you.
Yeah.
You are the best local resource for our veterans to get their VA mortgage through. And today we want to discuss the Streamline Refinance option through the VA.
You know, again, it really wasn't an appropriate day to talk about that on here on the 4th of July. And, you know, take this opportunity to thank all our veterans for what they do and have done and continue to do for us and the freedoms that we have. But, yeah, one thing, we're very proud of our veterans. We work hard to take care of them as well. And, you know, one of the things we offer to them is what's called the Streamline Refinance. And that's where if someone's got an existing VA mortgage can come in and very simply do a refinance to lower that rate. And in some cases, shorten the term up, too, to try to just save as much money as you can by lowering the rate and paying interest over the lifetime of that loan.
Well, what are some of the differences between a VA Streamline refinance and a traditional refinance?
Well, you know, traditional, under the Streamline, it's just that. It's a streamlined process. A lot of times we can do it without having to obtain an appraisal. We don't look at income and all the things that we normally would look at. It's typically in the same way. We'll still look at credit and mortgage history and those kind of things, whereas under a traditional refinance, it's just like starting over and doing a brand new loan. And when we're doing a new loan under the Streamline, but we just simplify that process, again, trying to make it easier. And the objective is to put yourself in a better position. If you can lower that interest rate, to save, depending on how much you owe, you can save thousands of dollars over the term of that loan and maybe even lower the payment down at the same time and shorten the term up.
We all like to save money.
Absolutely.
But
yeah.
what are the requirements to qualify in the first place for a VA Streamline refinance in order to take advantage of the low rates that JTS offers today?
Well, I mean, one thing you're looking at, under the Streamline, we're looking at, do you have an existing VA loan? And then we have our credit criteria and credit score and all those things that we'll look at as well. Now, that doesn't mean that if you have a conventional loan, you could refinance it to a VA loan as well, but you would not be able to do the Streamline. We would do a typical refinance transaction. So the advantages to the VA loan, let's say over a conventional or FHA, is there's no monthly mortgage insurance, very low interest rate. So a veteran out there, and there's a lot of veterans out there that have conventional loans or FHA loans that probably could put themselves into a better position by refinancing it into a VA scenario.
Wonderful. Well, Jeff, if someone wanted to get started today, what should they do?
You know, it really, pick up the phone, call us, stop by our office, or text JTS to 48421 and let us get you pre-qualified. It doesn't cost you anything to do those things, and we can work through and do a counseling session with you and let you know what's available to you.
All right, all right. As always, a great show today, Jeff. And for more information on what we talked about today, you can visit the JTS & Company website at jts-co.com. Don't forget to take advantage of the free mortgage checkup provided by JTS & Company. You can call 662-329-9090 or text JTS at 48421. All right, we'll be right back.